It feels like winter is right around the corner. I know, you probably wonder what I'm doing out here. I'm wondering the same thing myself. I think our summer is over. I live in a place that's like living in the old West, like the wagon days. It gets down to 60 below zero here. We get temperatures colder than the Arctic sometimes. I don't know if I ever told you guys this, but I fly planes. I haven't been up in one in quite a few years though. Where is everybody?
Everyone's inside here or inside that hangar over there.
They have breakfast in there. And
they have breakfast in here and
in the hangar.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thanks. So I'm going in to have some breakfast. Gotta find my posse, my pilot posse. So I'm in the hangar eating breakfast. And I'm gonna go up in a plane pretty soon. This is an older plane inside the hangar. Curtis and I are going to be going up in a Cessna. It's so beautiful out here. So I'm all alone out here now. Everybody is gone. I'm currently waiting for a couple of my friends to meet me here. It's late at night and we have the airport to ourselves. So I am just gonna have a cup of coffee and then we're gonna end up going out to look for ETs. Everybody's in here meeting and finishing up their snacks. I guess I'll go sit in a comfy chair and open up a laptop and do some video editing, maybe. It's almost midnight, so I don't know. I am kind of tired. I made kapsa, so I'm gonna eat some kapsa in the airport terminal. Time for kapsa.